How to download and install 7-Zip in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install 7-Zip on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, open up your web browser. After you open it up, head over to 7-zip.org. After you're there, you will see the download links available to you. Now, to download this, just press on download to the one that is your device. So mine is 64-bit Windows, so I'm just going to download this. Now as you can see, I've already downloaded it. Now head over to the file location, and after you're there, simply double click on this to start your installation. Now select yes and you will see the install option. Now let me just minimize these. So there you go, that is the install option. Tap on install and let it install. Now as you can see, the installation is complete. Now close the program. Now if you want to archive something, a file, that is to compress it, all you need to do is choose the file, right click on it. After you right click on it, you will see more options. Tap on show more options and you will see 7-Zip. Tap on 7-Zip and you will see add to archive. Tap on add to archive and here you will see the option that you can use to archive. Now you can even add passwords for the encryption. Tap on OK and you should get it here. So there I have it, the file. Now to open this up or to extract it, all I need to do is right click on it, tap on extract all, and yeah, just go ahead and extract it. And that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.